Hey everybody, it's Jared. I am so tired. I'm not even gonna lie today. My daughter was up for a long time, but I still am gonna get my workout in. Today we have endurance training. I'll show you on my little calendar. These are awesome. You know what to do every day. Chisel Endurance is what it's called. And like you know, I got my workouts pulled up. There's so many. With Beachbody On Demand, one amazing thing. Where did I put? Here it is. I have a Roku TV downstairs in my new house. Got my weights. Got my workout space. Cleaned it up. Need to move the broom out of there. But anyways, I'm doing hammer and chisel. You just go on it, and we're looking for chisel endurance, which all your workouts are right on the side. Chisel balance, I said chisel endurance. So it looks like it's 35 minutes today. So then I usually just set my camera right down there while I'm working out and videotape, and then and go from there. Hope that inspires somebody today, motivate somebody today, and maybe just get a new customer that wants to work with me, or client, whatever you want to call it, and we can rock out your health and fitness. But anyways, I'm gonna get started.